Alright guys, Jeremy here. Super cool day. I'm with my buddy Anthony Jones. You guys fucking know him, the fucking man. We're in his brand new Lambo. Lots of shit going on since our last podcast, but today we're doing a Lamborghini car cruise. It's about to be fucking sick.
It's about to be fucking crazy. With my boy, let's go. We're back, baby. We are back.
We are back. Look at this. Look at this here. Sick. Spilled some coffee.
Oh yeah. a little too wild. Got the brand new Gintani on.
Oh yeah.
Bro, this thing shoots flames. This thing's gonna be insane. Fucking insane. With the body kit, this is wild, dude. Turn green or it's still red? I'm gonna try. Beautiful color, man.
Oh yeah.
You said how much?
That's it. Oh yeah.
Yeah. If I'd have known, I would have been like, wow.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? We are here with another vlog. I think I'm gonna put this vlog in with the Lambo meetup I just did with Anthony. That was super cool. First time being at a Lambo meetup. And yeah, super like thankful and grateful and stoked that I'm friends with Anthony, because like that guy's on another level, and just being around him like just motivates me, and just seeing all his success and his fucking cool shit, I'm just like, dude, like if this guy can do it, if Anthony, my fucking degenerate, you know, business owner friend can do it, then why can't I, you know? Like it's real. Like you touch it, you feel it, it's like you see it. It's like, dude, like it's super awesome. But anyway, haven't done a vlog in a while because I've been just so damn busy, like, and in a good way, you know, like I'm not complaining. Like I'm so thankful and grateful to be busy, because like, you know, there was a time when I wasn't busy. You know, like in the beginning of my career, I would beg God, I would pray to God, I would do everything and just wish and hope that like, yo, like I need clients, I hope I get clients, you know. And then I started killing it, you know. And then there was another time where I was amazing, and then I wasn't busy again. Like things slowed down because I got complacent, you know. So I remember those times where I didn't have anything, I didn't have clients, I didn't have deals. And, you know, to be where I'm at now, I'm so grateful and I'm so thankful, and I'm going to do everything I can, you know, everything in my will and my power to keep this momentum going and not let it stop, you know, because I've been complacent and I've had nothing and I've lost everything, and, you know, I don't want to let that go ever again. You know, I'm not going to let anyone or anything stop me from keeping this momentum up, you know. So finally finding the time to shoot a vlog. Right now we are on our way to Kailua. I need to go to the post office because we're about to sell one of my flips in Kailua. When I bought that, I didn't get a mail key, you know, and you know, it's a part of the contract that when you sell property, you need to give a mail key, all the keys and all that. So trying to take care of that. That flip, man, see, that was a good flip, but like for some reason we just didn't get our ARV, you know. Like I ran the comps, had solid comps, did everything correctly, did everything right. We're set to sell at like 770, 775. We got that under contract first week, and then they canceled, and then after that for like a month it just sat, you know. And all the comps, they sold in like 7 days, 8 days. So that just goes to show you that like flipping and what I do or what we do as flippers, like it's really just calculated gambling, you know. Like you could run all your numbers right, do all the right things, and you know, you're expecting an 80K, 60K profit, and when you execute, despite executing and all that, whatever the market says, you know, whatever happens, that's you know, that's the result. And the result with us, I didn't like being on the market for 45 days and longer, so I was like, you know what, let's just sell this. And we're gonna sell at 745 with a credit. So profit, I was expecting 60K. We're probably gonna get about 30K. Which, when I say those things, two things come to mind. One is that, yeah, you know, it sucks we didn't get what we want, but you know, that's what it is. You know, that's why you're supposed to buy deals correctly and deeply. Second thought is like, what a blessing it is to say that I can say the words, instead of 60K profit, we'll be making 30K profit, you know. Like, just saying those words is like, dude, like, that's amazing, you know. It's better than zero, you know. And 30K, like, that's like some life-changing money to like people with normal jobs or who work, you know, an hourly pay. So again, making 30K, I'm totally fine with that. Where I'm at right now, you know, I'm just trying to go get in and get out with flips and just take profit. You know, I'm not trying to maximize the profit. Again, we want speed, we want to get in and out. And could I have waited for a better offer? Yes, but you know, I want to just get things moving and going. You know, I sell this, make profit, my investors make profit, you know, and then we can reinvest their money into the next deal, you know. So that's the way I see it now. Maybe in the future, when I have more money saved up in a nest egg and I'm comfortable to wait, yeah, maybe we could wait longer for better offers. But right now, you know, I'm playing the game I want to play, that I feel is safe, and it's safe for my investors, and it's going good so far. I think though, like, despite me being super busy, I'm very proud of myself, and also with Wendell too helping me, of just being consistent with content, you know, like whether it's YouTube videos or shooting vertical reels for my listings. Also, shout out to David. David's my guy for all the videos that I've been making on Instagram lately. You know, I think just like being out there with content, I'm always trying to double down and go harder with content. I feel like I always say that and I go harder, but I feel like I can always go harder, you know? In fact, this weekend, it's gonna be Labor Day weekend, and I'm gonna do a YOLO trip to meet with some of my investor homies, Leland Wong, and also my buddy Vladimir Plot. But But yeah, gonna see those guys, shoot some podcasts, and check out their flips in Vegas. And my goal with that is just like, honestly, I didn't really have a goal. But really, when I think about it, it's like, okay, let's go over there, different market, Vegas, shoot some podcasts. We can obviously post that on my YouTube and then chop that up into reels. And by doing that, I'll be able to collab with them. And when I collab with them, I'll get their audience. So essentially, I'm trying to grow my audience too by cross collaboration with their audience, and hopefully get some followers from them, you know, and continue to grow my brand, continue to grow my Instagram and my socials and all that, and just network with people, you know. So we'll see how it goes. I've never been this I guess spontaneous before to do a freaking Vegas trip, but it'll be fun, you know. Do podcasts, check out their flips. I can't say I'm not gonna get lit, because Leland, my homie, loves to party, so we'll see, you know. And then I'm gonna vlog the whole entire time for more content, you know, trying to maximize content creation to the best of my abilities. So that'll be fun too. All right, guys, what's up? We are in front of one of my projects too. Hey, how's it going? Hello. This is sick. These guys are jamming fast. This is crazy. This is the garage, all that. Maybe a bathroom over here. Here's a downstairs unit. Woo, how's it? Wow, lots going on. Alright. Bathroom, 3 bedrooms here. Woo. I gotta be quick. Oh shoot. Then here's another unit here. Wow. Let's go upstairs. Oh, hello. Wow, drywall's all done. Bathroom, here's another unit. Wow. And then 4th unit over here. Bathroom, bedroom. Drywall's all done. Holy shit. This is crazy fast. I'm not used to this. No, I'm gonna just go over here. Alright guys, we are at another project. This is the last stop for today. This is the really nice one with the pool, and we're almost done, and we should be listing this in like a week, maybe 2 weeks. Let's check it out. Got the fan. Garage almost done. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this yard. Wow. Amazing. This is so nice. Here's a downstairs. Half bath there. Full bath there. It's like an ADU, gym, 4th bedroom. Look at that. We even got a wet bar too. So we got that. We got this. Look at this pool. Looks nice. Very nice. Wow. Should be filling that up soon. Oh, thank you. All right. Very nice, very nice. All right. Ooh, look at this, guys. We are almost ready. We're almost there. We're basically there. Oh, this is so sick. Hell yeah. Look at that. Look at this. Ooh, look at that. Look at this. Look at this master bedroom. Ooh. Beautiful, beautiful. Primaries here. Right out there, look at that. The view, Diamond Head, the ocean, the pool. Oh, I wish I could keep this. I wish I could keep this. This is such a great, amazing deal. Oh my gosh. But hey, everything happens for a reason. Divine timing. Because even though I can own this one, there's gonna be something better for me. For the meantime, we got a sick flip.